The Minnesota Animal Health Board is weighing in as the USDA continues to encourage Midwest poultry producers to look out for and report cases of avian influenza. KIMT News 3's Evan Berg is sharing the latest on the disease's spread in the state.
This year, the state of Minnesota has seen 12 different cases with commercial and non-commercial flocks infected with avian influenza, and half of those are from this May. While this rate of infection isn't unusual in the state, it's the delay of it getting here that is. As it arrived in 2022, according to Dr. Shauna Voss, head of poultry with the state's Board of Animal Health.
These cases came a little late in the spring, later than we would have normally expected to be the case. And so we're looking into why that is and where that source of infection may have come from.
Voss says over 1 million birds have been infected this year already, but adds it's important to note that with proper hygiene, the danger to our food supply is minimal.
Yeah, first of all, it's important to remember that this is not a public health risk, right? So cook your food, practice good food safety, and for not just influenza, but for all sorts of things.
While other states have seen influenza jump to cattle, Minnesota is not one of them. Dr. Voss says producers can avoid the worst risks for the disease by simply keeping their operations in a contained environment, like a barn, and minimizing exposure to outside elements.
In general, those animals don't tend to die, and they tend to recover.
But that also means it is harder to detect as well. In Rochester, Evan Berg, KIMT News 3.
The state board says if you suspect your operation is infected with avian influenza, it's important to get your animals tested by a vet immediately.